You may start your presentation now.
Okay. Hello, we are from from Thailand, and before the start the presentations, we have the short sound file we want everyone to listening to. What have you listening? This is snoring that will stop at the moments and come start again. But the quiet part is the sleep apnea, as it belonging in my father's. The sleep apnea is attacks on the airways, blocking airflow when you're during the sleep and causing the health issues and even die. Like for the example, this have the high blood pressures, heart failures, and type 2 diabetes. And in the statistics shows 936 million people around the world have these conditions, and the amounts of have these conditions in Thailand is increased by 700,000 for each year. These numbers are gigantic, but only represent 20% who have test for the sleep apnea, and the other 80% have never done so and may not even know. In the present day, we have two types of sleep testing now. First is at hospital, and next is at home, which the cost start at least 135 to 810 USD. This is a lot of money, and then make the cut of the people for the test takings. And in the other problems of this test, you can see in these pictures, when go to the sleep test one time, it have a lot of equipment on your bodies, and if you imaginations, you have a sleep problems, you think you can sleep with these equipments, and if I have the sleep problems, I can not sleep well with this equipment too. Would it be better if they have the innovation that is easily accessible and do not disrupt the sleep? Today we are going to represent the sleep pass new solution for the sleep test. In terms of conceptual frameworks, to detecting the sleep apnea is have a many index to use, but the globally accepted is AHI or apnea hypoapnea index. And the later research found the connections between AHI and the other factors such as the heart rate, oxygen situations, and the awaking at night. We use this out to combine to be our solutions. The first is a wristband to measure the heart rate and oxygen situation, and next is a CCTV to detect awakings.
Next is the framework of all the device for sleep pass. It has two main components. The first part is for the wristband. It's got to detect physical and mental sign. It detects when the heart rate increased by more than 20% above the baseline, and when the SpO2 level dropped by 3% and 4% below the baseline. The second part is the CCTV camera. It's got to detect the body movement as you awaken by detect the eyelid opening and closing by done combined with the ER formula.
In the part about compare detection technique, we have many methods, but we choose 4 methods. First is the media fight, second is deep and DR, third is open CD and hand, the last is deep learning. So we use media fight and ER because this is the best method to in system. And we also compare the different GPT model to find AI for give a recommendation, and we use GPT-5 tool in this system.
Next is the AI part. We use that to calculate the AHI index with the multiple regression model. First, we're gonna collect all data at the standard sleep test equipment, and then we're gonna check when the variable relate to the AHI index. After we find that is have a correlation to the AHI index, we're gonna correct all the data to make the new model equation. Next, we're gonna send our result into the SleepPass web application so the user can see your data sleep easily. This is the example of SleepPass product.
And when we compare the present day sleep test, you can see the amounts of the equipment drop from 7 to 3. These equipments used to detect the heart rate and SpO2 in nowadays, and these are the US products. And next is to detect the apnea events when you're during the sleep, and these are control box.
Next, we develop our own Varee wristband. We collaborate at the hospital using the hospital grade equipment, and we test about 100 people. The accuracy of the oxygen is about 98.8 and the accuracy of the heart rate is 95.8.
In the part about detect subwaking, we use CCTV camera which media by an ER formula. We take this system with 100 people, each person 20 times. The accuracy show on 99.33%.
Yes, and in conduct testing in the peoples, we are testing us community and school faculties. The participants were divided the severity level by the index. And this is the result shows the sleep pass have as well is 0.97 and the accuracy of predict the symptom level is 100%. For the test result certifications, first we get a human research ethic approval from the university in Chiang Mai University, and next we have a professor and expert team to help guide us in the both of term of the technical and medicals. And in addition, we working with the sleep health centers, medical equipment distributors, Chiang Mai University and sub-district health promoting hospital.
And we have expert test our innovation in two parts. Part one is medical and training, and part two is technical and technology. So result is show on the device can be work in real situation. This is the UI website web application.
Okay, next is the target customer. We have 4 groups. First is people who have sleep apnea and need to monitor their conditions. Next is people who have risk for the sleep apnea. Next is age between 70 to 60 years, and next is people who have BMI greater than 23. And for the value proposition we will give to the customer is the first is sleep comfortably because the device can make noise when you sleep. And next is the self-monitoring of test result. You can see the test result by yourself on the web applications. And last is the affordable price.
The cost of the device is $337.7 per unit.
And for the business model, we have 3 plans in now. First is B2C, the equipment rental in daily and weekly. Next is B2B to sell the equipment. And the last is B2B2C, it rents the equipment to hospital to sub-rents.
The market size we use TAM Samsung. The software sleep pass market in Chiang Mai, Thailand. It is 9,962 person. This is the competitor analysis. The X-axis is a sleep comfort, and the Y-axis is diabetic is efficiency, and the sleep pass is the top right corner. That is mean can be worked in.
Okay, for the award achievements, we get the best of the best award. It is the winner award in the National Codings and AI competitions under Coding Thailand 2025 from 3,200 teams around Thailand. We get funding support for 6,500 USD. And next we get winner award in the medical and engineering categories in the 77th Young Scientist competitions. And the last we get a winner award in the computer and software category in the Internet Innovation Contest 2025. And the other we have be the special guest speaker in the health and medical equipment event, and be the guest speaker for the Auto High School to make the inspiration to develop medical science projects. And the last thing is better sleep, better life, less sleep has take care of you. Thank you.